Okay, here we go. First ever nature tank. Still gotta put my picture up. But this is my first ever nature tank. See, I got a little extra stuff. Once again, this is a Glofish tank I got from Chewy. Came with the filter and everything, but I ordered this, the pump. It's dual. As you can see. And I got that. And then the backlight. I got a surprise. Well, I got a little addition that I added to mine. Turn the lights off. Of course, it was a glow tank, so this light come with it. That light right there. It's nice. Love it. But even better than that, I got a bubble bar for the back. Not sure if you can see it, but it also comes with a light. It got a remote. I don't know if you can see the remote. You got a remote, different colors, on off switch, bright, up and down, off, all these colors, flash, strobe, fade, smooth. But turn the lights off and turn it on. Two different lights at the same time. In the back. These lights can be changed. White. I'm not sure. Try to focus, but that white is really, really nice. Red. Green. That green is nice. That green and blue is nice. But you can do it strobe with all the colors. You can turn the strobe down. Change it to pulse. You can also speed it up. But I love it. My first ever one. I don't have any fish right now. Don't have any fish, but I want to know, comment down what fish I should get, or what. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you don't like it. Tell me what some things I could do and to improve. I'm just now finding out I really enjoy doing this. It's gonna become a hobby of mine, and I need to know. I need some feedback. You know how it is. Like I said, it's my first one. First ever one. First ever one, and I'm so proud of it. So proud of it. Still gotta get that picture up there, but I'm so proud of it, man. But yeah, you guys like, subscribe, follow this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Nature's Art 1111. That's where I upload everything, all my videos, all my pictures before I do them, everything. But I have the link in the description to my Instagram. But subscribe. Like I said, let me know. Let me know what you guys think. First ever. First ever nature tank. Alright, see you guys.